Hi friends, welcome back to the homestead. Thank you so much for stopping by. So as you can see, the husband and I have decided to divide and conquer because there is work to be done. I'm sowing while he's mowing, and I'm very excited because I am finally planting some seeds in my raised beds. And before I can do that though, I'm having to kind of break up the soil a little bit because it got compacted from some rain that we recently got. But if you want to see what I am planting, then definitely stick around and continue watching. And I will tell you, the tools that I am using in this video, I will link them in the description box. So without further ado, let's see what I'm planting.
A little bit, you gonna say something? Okay. Hi Kane, hi Abel. Hi boys. Kane. And the onion up next is...
White onion.
The white onion.
Boys, we gonna feed you, I promise. Yep, mommy gonna feed you, give you some good eat. Alright friends, well that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know that this is the kind of content you want to see. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know when we post a new video. And of course, we want you to join the Bradley Bunch. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Yes, join the family and join us on this homesteading journey. We're gonna make mistakes, but you know what? We're gonna learn from them. We're gonna grow from them. And I hope you come along with us on this journey. So thank you for watching. God bless you. I hope you have a fabulous week, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!
All right. Anything you'd like to say to the people at home? Anything you'd like to say to the people at home?
What's up? Yo, Aunt, what you doing in my bed? Don't be building nothing, sir. Ants are not welcome here.
We let worms do.
Yeah.
Worms are friends.
Worms are friends, and you, sir, are not a worm. So roll out, roll out.